Hello everyone, welcome back to Easy Tricks app channel. Today I'll show you how to follow everyone on Threads. If you want to use the newly launched Thread app, the competitor of Twitter, as you know the Thread and your Instagram is connected together, and you want to follow each and everyone you followed on Instagram, don't worry, in this video I'll be showing some easy and simple steps to do so. So, without wasting any time, let's start the video. Open the Instagram app. Now click on your profile. Click on the three lines. Click on Threads. Now click on Join Threads. Log in with your account. Adjust your profile. Now here is the actual step. Here you can follow everyone on Threads. Remember that the person that is available on Threads will only be followed. Click on Follow All. Click on Join Threads. Let me show you my following list of this account. Congratulations, now you have successfully followed everyone on Threads. So these were some simple steps to follow. We have started a new Thread app tutorial series. Make sure you check other videos too. I hope this video was useful for you. If you like videos, please share with others and don't forget to like and subscribe.